Welcome to your free English lesson. This series will focus on determiners. This lesson will cover demonstratives. It is important to write when you are asked to. It helps you to learn. You can use a whiteboard, but ideally a notebook would be best. That way you can keep a record of your learning. There are 5 intended learning outcomes to achieve by the end of the lesson. 1. We are learning that determiners are words that come before a noun phrase. 2. We are learning that determiners introduce and modify a noun in a noun phrase. 3. We are learning that determiners give information about a person or thing, such as definiteness, quantity, possession, or proximity. 4. We are learning that demonstratives point to something, showing whether it is near or far. 5. We are learning that demonstratives point to something, showing whether it is singular or plural. A determiner is a function word placed before a noun or before adjectives that describe the noun to clarify what the noun refers to. Determiners do not stand alone. They work with nouns to form noun phrases. Determiners anchor the noun in context. They make the noun more precise and communicative. Demonstratives cannot stand alone as determiners. They always come before a noun or before an adjective describing a noun. When they do stand alone, they become demonstrative pronouns. Let's compare. The demonstrative this, as in this dress, points out the specific noun being referred to. So this dress, not the other one. It shows proximity, which is closeness or distance in space. It also adds emphasis. The demonstrative pronoun this, as in I like this, works as a pronoun. It stands alone and takes the place of the noun. Determiners help to answer questions like which one, whose, how many, or how much. Is it specific or general? Demonstratives specify which one. When plural or uncountable nouns are used in a sentence, they do not require a determiner. Music makes me feel relaxed. Notice that there is no determiner before music. Water is essential for life. Notice that there is no determiner before water. Teachers help students learn. Notice there is no determiner before teachers. Drivers must obey traffic laws. Notice there is no determiner before drivers. In English, the demonstratives are this, that, these, and those. When demonstratives are used before a noun or an adjective describing a noun, they act as determiners. They signal to a listener or reader which one we mean. They point to something, showing whether it is near or far in relation to the speaker, and whether it is singular or plural. Near and far relates to proximity in both space and time. Let's look at this. It is used before nouns that are singular and near in relation to the speaker. I will read these examples. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the words. This book. This chair. this key, this bird, this garden, this car. Let's look at that. It is used before nouns that are singular and far in relation to the speaker. I will read these examples. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the words. That book. That chair. That key. That bird. That garden. That car. Let's look at these. It is used before nouns that are plural and near in relation to the speaker. I will read these examples. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the words. These books. These chairs. These keys. These birds. These gardens. These cars. Let's look at those. It is used before nouns that are plural and far in relation to the speaker. I will read these examples. I will pause. When I pause, you repeat the words. Those books. Those chairs. Those keys. Those birds. Those gardens. Those cars. Write these sentences. Use the correct demonstrative. This, that, these, or those. Use the clues in the brackets to help. 1. I don't like colour. The demonstrative you need to choose will show near and singular. 2. Can you pass me chairs? The demonstrative you need to choose will show far and plural. 3. Movie we watched yesterday was amazing. The demonstrative you need to choose will show far, singular, past time. 4. I need documents. The demonstrative you need to choose will show near and plural. 5. She owns car outside. The demonstrative you need to choose will show far and singular. 6. Houses across the street look old. The demonstrative you need to choose will show far and plural. 7. I can't believe weather today. The demonstrative you need to choose will show near, singular, present time. 8. Children playing over there are my cousins. the demonstrative you need to choose will show far and plural. Pause the video. The next slide contains the answers. Check your answers. 1. I don't like this colour. You should have written this. It shows that the noun is near and singular. 2. Can you pass me those chairs? You should have written those. It shows that the noun is far and plural. 3. That movie we watched yesterday was amazing. You should have written that. It shows that the noun is far, singular, and past time. 4. I need these documents. You should have written these. It shows that the noun is near and plural. 5. She owns that car outside. You should have written that. It shows that the noun is far and singular. 6. Those houses across the street look old. You should have written those. It shows that the noun is far and plural. 7. I can't believe this weather today. You should have written this. It shows that the noun is near, singular, and present time. 8. Those children playing over there are my cousins. You should have written those. It shows that the noun is far and plural. Write these sentences. Choose the correct option in the brackets. 1. This cake is delicious, or these cake is delicious. 2. I cannot carry this heavy boxes, or I cannot carry those heavy boxes. 3. That story is my favourite, or those story is my favourite. 4. Are these your keys, or are this your keys? 5. Look at that rainbow in the sky, or look at those rainbow in the sky. 6. Could you close that window over there, or could you close those window over there? 7. Do you remember this summer we spent in Italy? Or do you remember that summer we spent in Italy? 8. That is the problem we need to solve, or those is the problem we need to solve. Pause the video. The next slide contains the answers. Check your answers. 1. You should have written, this cake is delicious. 2. You should have written, I cannot carry those heavy boxes. 3. You should have written, that story is my favourite. 4. You should have written, are these your keys? 5. You should have written, look at that rainbow in the sky. 6. You should have written, could you close that window over there? 7. You should have written, do you remember that summer we spent in Italy? 8. You should have written, That is the problem we need to solve. I will read these sentences. Is the demonstrative used a determiner or a pronoun? Write the number. Then write D for determiner or P for pronoun. 1. I do not understand this. 2. Look at those mountains. 3. That is what I mean. 4. Please take these notes. 5. I remember those. Pause the video. The next slide contains the answers. Check your answers. Number 1. I do not understand this. In this sentence, this is being used as a pronoun. 2. Look at those mountains. In this sentence, those is being used as a determiner. 3. That is what I mean. In this sentence, that is being used as a pronoun. 4. Please take these notes. In this sentence, these is being used as a determiner. 5. I remember those. In this sentence, those is being used as a pronoun. Here is an extender for anyone who would like a challenge. In these sentences, both pairs of demonstratives are being used. It is to show contrast. Write the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct demonstratives. 1. I will take shoes here, but not ones over there. 2. Pen on the desk is mine, while one in your hand is yours. 3. We should read article for today, not long one from yesterday. 4. Cups on the shelf are clean, while ones in the sink are dirty. Pause the video. The next slide contains the answers. Check your answers. 1. I will take these shoes here, but not those ones over there. 2. This pen on the desk is mine, while that one in your hand is yours. 3. We should read this article for today, not that long one from yesterday. 4. These cups on the shelf are clean, while those ones in the sink are dirty. Thank you for watching this video. Watch it as many times as you need to master the intended learning outcomes. I hope that the content helped you to learn more about demonstratives. Please like and subscribe for more lessons. There is a lot to learn, so don't give up. Keep believing in yourself and you will learn. See you next time. Bye.